Okay, guys, get in.
Be ready.
Five, 10, 15, go. Big tempo now. Find a catch. That's it, nice big strokes. That's it, that's it. Nice bouncy snap, let's go. A little bit more weight on the catch for 5 now. That's it, come on. Let's go, let's go. Everybody sit up big. 2, 1 for 5, go. Catch deep, sit up hard. Come on. Tempo. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. This is going well. Going well. Let's go. Get ready for a big start out of this turn. Stay aggressive. Attention! Ready? Go! 5 up! 4. Big hard strokes! Long in front! That's it! Weight on the blade! Come on, we can be stronger than this. Back 5, push, now, go. That's it, that's it, that's it. We're just now letting up a little bit. We can push this. Let's go, drive this boat. Yeah, yeah, let's go. This is strong, this is strong. Engine 5, touch it up, go. Big rhythm. You're not tired, you're not tired. You can go harder. Rotate into the catch for 5 now. I felt that, I felt that. I need more of that. Snap it out now. Hard off the back. That's it. That's it. Attention! Go! 5, 4, 3, more. 2, 1 up. 1, 2. Big rhythm. Hard off the back. Big snap. Harder catches. There's a tailwind on our back. Let's sit up hard. Get deep, sit up hard. Come on, we can get this, but I need more. Big rotation, everybody, now. We're doing great, guys, we're doing great. You're not even tired. This feels awesome, guys, but I need more. Everybody, 5 now catches, go. Yes, yes, you have this. Let's go. Big push off the back. Now, 10, 9. That's it. Feed the boat. Let's go. Let's go. Last turn. Biggest push. Outer turn. Get ready for it. This is going to be the turn that determines the win. Let's go. Last 500 wins it. Let's go. Attention! Go! 2, 3, 4, 5 up. 2, 3, 4, 10. Big, hard. This 500 determines who wins it. Let's go. Who wants it more? Big tempo. Harder catches. Who wants it more? Who wants it more? Let's go. Yeah, let's feel stronger. 10 hard off the back. Now back 4. Let's go. Let's go. Engine 10 now. That's it. That's it. Come on, come on, come on. Gold medal on the line. Everybody, 5 now. Full boat all the way to the back, come on! That's it, press off! Make it hurt! Leave it out on the water! Go! Now! Finish it! Fuck yeah! More! Drive! Let her ride! Hold, hold, all those who can, hold.